Good morning. And I'm now on day 2 of the Green Medicine Retreat. I've been so aware of my body since I come into wakefulness. And I took my time luxuriating in the abundance of moments in the bed until I allow the call of the body for movement to overwhelm the enjoyment of being still and peaceful. And I've done my morning meditation, and now it's time to explore. And this is my integration walk. So still very much in the medicine the following morning. Clock time checking is around 10 a.m. I commenced the retreat yesterday around 1 p.m. So here I am going out through this portal into this other realm. I can feel the wind caressing my face. And there's so much abundance. There's so much abundance absolutely everywhere. The abundance of these blooms, the abundance of the stones comprising the wall. So the primary message of this experience with the green is about abundance. And I experienced such glorious memories of yesterday, of simply lying in the bed, having come back from the sea, with my eyes closed, and it's still broad daylight, and I'm listening to sounds of the birds outside the window, and it's like I'm lying in the bed, and at the same time I'm actually outside with the birds surrounded by the green. So that was a lovely experience of bilocation. I was in both places at once. I was in my bed, and I was outside surrounded by the plants listening to the bird song. If you can be in two places at once, that's another example of abundance. And here I'm lining things up so you can see one of my favourite oak trees. And the Celtic tree oracle oaks represent endurance. And for me today they represent abundance. So just look how big it is, this tree. How massive. And as I get closer, I'm sensing something about its spirit. It's strong. It is so present. And it is so magnificent. I want to start you down here. It's not every day you see a tree that, when you look for the start of it, that's actually what I see. So there's all the parts of the tree that I can't see that goes below into the earth, a most fantastic branching root system with an abundance of vessels to conduct water and nutrients up the tree called phloem and xylem. And let's just take a appreciative journey up this tree now, just seeing and being completely present to how utterly magnificent it is. And this tree and I are being caressed by the song of the doves and the other birds all around us. Over the last few weeks I've watched this tree from being out of leaf, coming into leaf, and the leaves growing until they are this size. So if I want to contemplate abundance, all I need to do is access my memory of this moment I'm having right now, because this is my moment of being fully present to the abundance that is this tree. Thank you, tree, for your beauty. And that's really another word that's coming up so much on this retreat, is the word beauty. So much beauty. Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, and we choose to allow our eyes to see the beauty. And the beauty fills us. A song to nature, you fill up my senses. So continuing my integration, something that the green showed me over and over again and now we're joined by the sounds of the stream. Over and over again the green mention showed me how I slip into a train of thoughts and become present to my thoughts and become absent to my surroundings. And what the medicine was continually doing was to cause me to be more aware of that transition between caught up in my thoughts and aware of actually what's going on. So that's what we have. So let's just take us into these plants.
Evening.
Evening. And I was instructed to stop here because this is an opportunity. These branches are hanging down, so I could actually walk around them, or I could choose to embrace the experience. And this is why I want to share when plants and humans touch, or something special, something to be savoured. So here I go. Thank you. gratitude. When I notice how much of everything there is, I mean, just look at this one. Look at the play of the light on those leaves, the reflection of the light. Yeah, so much to appreciate, and there's no one to touch. One way to increase our gratitude is to spend more time outside. And there goes a squirrel. Whoa! Super fast. So the green medicine's prescription for an awareness of abundance, beauty and gratitude. Good grief, ABG, abundance, beauty and gratitude, yeah. Step outside and slow down and pay attention, that's the other thing. Because in my more conventional state of consciousness I could have just rushed past, but no. I am sufficiently tuned in still to the world of the plants that I could feel that bracken calling, and I deviated off my track and I focus on it now. And then there's this hazel leaf. And then there's a stream. Decline to minuteness is a very particular expression. It means to become aware of the little things. Noticing the tiny details in nature. That's what it's about. Right, I'm going to pick this up by the ocean.